Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use CapCut to create videos easily for sharing or just for fun. Oh, anyway, I think CapCut is one of the best apps because we can do everything while editing videos in one app. Alright, so after you downloaded the CapCut app, just open and click import to add audios, videos, or photos you want to edit. So click the elements you want to edit, or just drag and just click open. So to make a clip, you are just going to drag to the track like this, and you can check out for the preview panel, timeline, and toolbar filter here. You can add this split. Just click split button to split the clip. So split, and you can delete for the clip. Just click twice icon right here, and if you add the video, so if you add the video with right, you can freeze the clip, reverse the video, mirror the clip, render the clip, and crop the clips. You can change for the aspect ratio. Just click on ratio right here. Right. You can add the audio, tag, sticker, effect, transition, filters, adjustment, and you can remove from the for the background. Just click cut out and select chroma key or auto cut out. You can adjust body position and size right here. You can add the overlay. Just put on top another clip like so. You can add an animation, and you can use body motion tracking right here. So after you finish editing the video, you are just going to click the export button. Just click on the top right, at the top right corner, and change for the title of the work, and change for the place of your file, and change for the resolution, bitrate, and etc. Just click export. Alright, that's how you can edit in CapCut PC. I hope these tips and tricks was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.